I'm speaking with clients about the need to invest in availability versus recoverability. Plan and invest in being up versus investing in time and tools to only recover to point X and time Y. An APO, ATO strategy versus traditional and only RPO, RTO strategy. Thoughts?
Okay, let me be very clear. You really need to do both. The resiliency, business continuity is what the goal is that, and it is an investment, and it's very specific to the environment and the systems you have. So I've done a lot of work in this area, and everyone's a little different. The recoverability absolutely has to be done as well, and the focus on recoverability is turned to recovering from a cyber attack of some type. And that recoverability now, that's top of mind for most people. And just 2 weeks ago, I was working with a company on modifying, their DR plan to incorporate recovery from the cyber attack into the DR plan because they are different, and that has to happen. So the availability and business resiliency, that's your first, you've got to deal with that. But the recoverability, you've got to deal with that as well. There's just, you can't do one and not the other.
Perfect.
Anything you want to add to that?
That's your bailiwick, Randy. We certainly strive for resilience in everything we do. As you know, our system is highly configurable in terms of how you deliver resilience, and that includes distributing data across sites. It includes versioning, so you've got different older copies of your data. It also includes data immutability, which is something we built in, worm storage for ransomware recovery. So that is central to everything we do, is ensuring data durability and availability.
Yeah, one of the things that's interesting to me is the business continuity aspect has ratcheted up significantly inside companies, and now the expectation is always on. Whereas previously, they expected to have an outage, and they'd say, how fast we can get back from an outage, et cetera. That expectation now, it's always on, and it's put a lot more strategy work required to get there.
Right. Which is why, it's built into what we do. We can protect against device failure, site failure, and still retain that always on operating model. So that's absolutely central to our operating model.